Hey, good morning. Happy Friday. Today is the 12th of August. Okay, in the morning, usually I go over the earnings, pre-market reviews, any gap ups, and also watch lists. Let's check the index first of all. So China stocks lowering, biotech companies lowering, stocks lowering. Okay, 10 pulling back, so solar tech also pulling back, oil pulling back. The spice pulling back as well. So everything's pulling back this morning, uh, except for semiconductors setting up here. Let's see what happens. See what's moving in the pre-market. TOST is the only stock that's making an action. So nothing here. UBX biotech company, lower price stocks. I don't play it, so same here as well. $2. NEPT AEY. No, nothing here. Tossed. It's not a big move. Super Bowl. That was an oil play yesterday. So nothing is catching my attention for pre-market. Yeah, just gonna check their anticipation list to see what's potentially gonna be moving up today, if any. AMLX setting up nicely. It's just a volumes. The float is only 30.2 million, so but setting up. I'm just gonna watch it, but I'm not gonna play it here. Yeah, ADTN. 5. MXL. ACLS. Here. Look at the AMC. That was a Reddit pump right there. Still going, eh? Free market still moving. Carvana. This is a watch here. PGY. It's either gonna make a huge move up or a huge move down. Either way, it's open. It's in between the 20-day moving average and a 10-day moving average. Tesla jumping around, but still looks pretty strong. Creating a base here. Guys, just gonna check our list. Let's see, buy point here. I'll remove that. Carvana. Come on, Peter always freezes. AMLX, right? GTHX. 5. AML. AM. No, sorry. MXL. ACLS. Actually, semiconductors are setting up. So just trying to pick the best one. Let's see how our big stocks are working from the previous days. This one broke out, setting up again. ACLS. ADM. This is a monster right here. So nice. It's pulling back. This one broke off the other day. This one failed. Failed breakout. This one breakout. Nice move. BANF failed there, dropped from the highs. Chewy made a move. CVLG. Five is building. Fongo failed breakout. First solar. Still looking strong. GFS. GTHX. But so far, like breakouts are holding. Some of them are pulling back, but most of them are holding through their bounce. Netgear, Netgear, that's setting up here. Some of the stocks bounced this week. Is a small pullback. They're still making a move, right? And it hasn't lost all their gains. So it's still a positive outlook on breakouts. Today is gotta just gotta be selective. It's gonna be a choppy one. It's also a Friday. Nobody wants to hold stocks on Friday, so it's gonna be choppy. So let's be more selective on our watch list here. See, AMLX tried to make a move yesterday and it sold all its gains. But it could be another potential move. I tried it 2 times. One here and one here. 2 times. It's a biotech name. Volume wise, one day it made like 20 million in volume, but the rest is dead. So I'm not gonna play this one. Kavana, a couple of days ago, this is over 40 million worth of volume. Buy power. Setting up again. Say Carvana. This one is a healthcare biotech company. Made a huge move here. Consolidate, bounce, and now it's building that range, riding the 20-day moving average. That's a strong one here. Although it did bounce in pre-market, which I'm kind of concerned. This one slowly is showing strength. Maybe another day or two before it's a buy. This one's shopping around. Look at that here. Made a huge drop. Buying power came right back in and making higher lows. It's a tight date yesterday. The last time it made a move, 19%. In total, it's 32%. It would be nice if another day of non-action and then there's a 10-day moving average, 20-day moving average to catch up. That looks strong. TI, it's the first leg, second leg. But there's a lot of attention for this stock here. Edgar, was chopping around a couple 2 to 3 days, but it did make a huge move. I think this is based on earnings here, pulling back, riding the 10 days moving average. So it's got some potential. 5 really tight days here, and made a huge move. 20%, pulling back, and trying to move again today. This one's definitely a watch for today. Volume wise, 60 million, 40 million, 60 million. And then it kind of died out. Now if there's a sell-off or a buy, then that's another at least 40 million in volume. Semi-conductors pulling back. Beyond. I don't know, Beyond looks choppy. And we move Beyond here. So these are a list of stocks watching for today. Carvana, AMLX, GTX, GTHX, LWLG, ADTN, 2 PI. PI all of a sudden just chopped. Just popped. NTGR, 5, ACLS, PGY. It's a long list. I'm trying to see if I can reduce this a bit. So Carvana gap up, made a move, but pull all the way back. Lost all its gains. Sign of weakness. Low float, so I'm not playing that. It's also low float, but it's creating higher volume here. So GTHX. This one's setting up. ADTN. Did chop around. Bouncing off the 20-day moving average. Poop. PI. PI just moved on pre-market when I was just looking at it just a couple of seconds ago. It was a good setup. Now, am I going to chase it? I'm not sure. It's a 4-point move here. I'll check 5. 5's a retail. Retails might not make the biggest move, so I'll remove that. Semi-conductors, not bad. ACLS. Net gear, pulling it back, but it's just barely holding the 10-day moving average. I'll remove this one. Carvana, remove this. Okay, ACLS, PCG, tube, D. This one made a huge move. Could potentially make another move. GTHX. AMLX. Car. Didn't make a big move, so I'm just gonna remove it. Even this one's the choppy stock. This one looks clean. This one looks clean. This one's just chopping around in the base. Not sure once it makes a move, it's gonna make this kind of chop. The tub. DGY. So those are my list now. PI already made a move. This kind of made a move. So tube, PGY, C, ACLS. All right. Gotta go. Have a good one. Take care.